Hi guys and welcome to this What's Inside. We are gonna see how this slot car is working. We have here a Carrera circuit and I'm very happy to check this out. We can observe that this car has a pin and these two things, I don't know how to call them, that are used to take electric current from the tracks. We have two cars and now let's see how they work. Come on. One for me, one for you. Let chance decide which car we drive. Of course, I know I drive the BMW. Oh no, I don't drive the BMW. I am the Spider-Man. Ah! Come on! Come on, Spider-Man! What's happening? Really? Okay, this truck looks faster. Go on the other truck. Okay. Ready? Stop. Okay. I don't know which car I'm driving. I think I'm Spider-Man though. Okay. The BMW. I was the BMW. Okay guys, it's time to see what's inside this little car. Apparently this car has only two screws to hold the upper part. Now, are you ready for this? Oh my god. Okay, that's the way, and what we have here is basically the most simple things we've had so far at What's Inside. We have the electric motor. Now we recognize it very easily and it spins the front wheels. Apparently, I believe this is the front of the car. No? Disclaimer. The electric motor spins the back wheels of the car. We also have a small magnet. Try and film this if you can. Okay, here we have a tiny magnet, and what it does basically, it keeps the car stick to the tracks. Okay, there are cars that work without this magnet, but they get more speed, but it requires more skill to drive them. And the electric motor we have two diodes that make the current flow in one direction, and from here the car gets its current from the tracks. Okay, I will put it here gently and I will keep the rear of the car up. How cool is this? Now, woo! Frankenstein car. Awesome. Okay guys, now when we accelerate, nothing happens. You can see, okay, we're accelerating and nothing happens. The moment I put it on the tracks, okay. Few more things about the track. We have here this chronometer. See, each time the car drives by, we have a counter. See? Okay, next we have the tracks that are powered by electric current, and this is our acceleration. Basically, when each driver is accelerating, it increases the voltage and thus the car goes faster. Okay. This is kind of like a potentiometer. When you accelerate, it increases the flow of current. So this is a little push, medium, and now pedal to the metal, guys. See, more current is more power. And what else we have? We have we have the boost button. Let's check it out. And boost. I managed to crash the car this is what it means. When you are driving, you have to be careful not to accelerate too much in the curves. Fortunately, no harm was done and the car is working just fine. And now I will put the car body back. And the screws. Okay guys, this was it. Let me know if you like it. Please press that like button and let me know you are here. Comment and let us know what else you want to see at What's Inside. Let's check out if the car is working. Yeah. And a little boost. All is fine. Okay. I have to take some extra hours driving. Thank you for watching. Love you all and see you in the next one. Mwah.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.